Hi, this is Delicious. Welcome to the review of the US meal cold weather, menu number 10. I am very curious about this menu because this is scrambled eggs with cheese, Western style, and this will be my first time eating freeze-dried eggs. So let's crack in. We have a peelable seal here. Success! So this is the content of the ration. We have here scrambled eggs, of course. We have dehydrated granola with milk and blueberries, and nacho cheese pretzels. I haven't seen this before. We have two beverages, which is cocoa and orange. We have chocolate, sports bar, the spoon and the accessory pack. Let's open this. You can see here that this ration comes from 2013. Yes, so it is 4 years old. We have chocolate gum, toilet paper, moist towelette, matches, sugar and coffee creamer, instant coffee and red Tabasco. I will start with the first part of this meal, which is the Western style scrambled eggs, orange beverage and coffee. Maybe I will use also this Tabasco. So I have boiled the water and we'll start to make it. Let's start with this beverage base powder. This is for 12 ounces of water. As you can see, you can drink straight from this pouch. Here we have a little handle, but I will pour this into a glass. The next is coffee. Part of sugar. And this is something like 5 ounces of water. And now let's start this meal. So it requires 8 ounces of water and preparing time is 5 to 10 minutes. So I have to measure the water, and now this pouch. Scrambled eggs with ham, peppers and cheese. I will cut it. It looks yellow, as you can see. You can see pieces of ham, pieces of vegetables. Give it a stir. And leave it for 10 minutes. So it's time to taste. A bit runny, but has reconstituted. Okay. It's very good looking dish. You can see the eggs, ham pieces, red bell pepper, peas, I guess, and some other vegetables. We don't have any salt or pepper. I'll try to zoom. Well, my feelings are mixed. These eggs doesn't taste like eggs actually. They have the consistency of a sponge and maybe a bit like eggs, but this is but the rest of this dish, I mean these ham pieces and the vegetables are very good. This ham is smoked, has reconstituted very well, so it's tender, and I guess I will try also a bit with Tabasco. Well, the Tabasco makes this dish quite different, so it is very hot, and for me this is makes it closer to, I don't know, some stew than to scrambled eggs. So probably I will give here some black pepper just. But now let's taste this orange drink. Yeah, this is standard US MRE orange drink. Quite sweet and quite artificial. Now this coffee with creamer and sugar. Even if I don't drink coffee with creamer and sugar, especially with sugar, so this is the best combination. If you give everything, so I gave only half of this portion of sugar, it tastes quite good. So if you will have this kind of coffee, mix everything 3 in 1. This is the second part of the ration. We have here granola with milk and blueberries, nacho cheese pretzels, chocolate sports bar and cocoa beverage powder. I will start with this cocoa drink. I will use the mug from my Croatian friends. Check out this channel if you haven't seen this. And I will not mix this in this pouch because this will be hot water, so this is 6 ounces of hot water. And now we have our granola with milk and blueberries. A lot of blueberries. I will give only 2 ounces of water because I don't want this to become a soup. Now there's small G-shoots inside. Let it stand for a while and let's open the rest. Chocolate sports bar. and the nacho cheese pretzels. I'm very curious about this, how it will look like. Oh, these are combos. Yeah, I love it. Great, let's start. I will start with this cocoa beverage. Wow, very nice. Maybe a bit too sweet, but this amount of water makes this drink dense, not watery. I like it very much, especially in the morning, which is now. And now this granola, you can see a lot of blueberries really. This everything has become blue or violet. That's it. Very nice dish. Really, the milk has the salt. It tastes like milk with crunchy flakes and the blueberries. Very good dish. I maybe this is the best granola which I've had until now. So now this nacho cheese pretzels filled with cheese. This is very tasty. They are filled with cheese, something like cheddar, so a bit spicy, salty enough. They have really intense taste, so not bland. I'm very glad about it. Now this chocolate sports bar, which is, as I expect, something chewy. Another good surprise. This is chewy, and this has some flakes, some cereals inside, cocoa, but I thought this will be very sweet, but it isn't. So you will not get crazy after eating all these things about sugar. This is the most sweet item from this part of Russia. So I am very glad that I had this ration. It was really tasty. This scrambled eggs, it was maybe not the best part of the ration, but it is not like fresh eggs, of course, but you can eat it. This is not something disgusting. So overall, very good ration. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel and the Facebook page. The link is down below, and I hope to see you in the next review soon.